Good morning everyone, Liliana from Vanilla and Canela. Hello, welcome back to Vlogtober. Today is Saturday and I'm going to vlog for you. You're actually going to see this on Monday, but I wanted to do a weekend vlog so you can see what me and Alex get up to. So I've been up since around 6:30. I woke up at 6:30. The only couple of days where I don't have to get up early, and I always wake up early, but 6:30, I got up about 7, had a coffee, did some work for Vlogtober, edited a video, all of that good stuff, answered your comments, etc. And now I'm going to have some breakfast. Let me show you what I'm having. I am having some Greek yogurt. This is the honey yogurt that I get from Lidl, and then I have half a banana and my favourite what do you call it, cereal, which is actually the Jordan's, what do you call it? I'll put a note on the screen for you because I can't remember, but this is the best. It's got nuts, maple and pecan, nope, I can't remember. So anyway, I'm gonna have that. I'm gonna get Alex dressed, he's out here playing, and we are going to go to the garden centre and I'm going to bring you along with me. It is the most miserable day. You guys can't see, it's actually raining as well. I know some of you asked me about prepping the garden for winter, but Paul made sure that all our summer stuff was put away. Our feeder, like bird feeders on the floor, has been there for weeks. I need to get it back up, and I'll probably buy some food for it. That lantern was hanging, and with the wind it flew and it broke, but I've just left it. If Paul was here, he would have had the grass cut down. I don't do that, so yeah. So this is what our garden looks like, and it's pretty much prepped for winter. Can you say good morning?
Good morning.
Here's Alex, an outfit of the day.
And I'm a Batman.
Alex has got some light up Batman trainers.
Trainers?
They're like trainer boots, shoes, yeah. So he's wearing them. The puffy thing, the puffy jacket is from Next. I picked that up brand new for 59p from a charity shop. The top, let me see, turn to mummy. This top, it says you're unbearably cool, is from Tesco's and it costs £3. The jeans I thrifted as well, and then the new trainers are from George at Asda. You look so cute. So I'm going to show you as well my outfit of the day. Let's see if you can see. I got this top from Tesco's. I think it was like £12, and it has this little detail there that I love. Jeans are from Next and the boots are from Next as well. So that's the outfit of the day. So we're going to go out now. So we're back. We didn't stay as long as we hoped. There's Alex. He's having a drumstick lolly, aren't you? Alex has had a bit of a cough for a couple of days, and he's suddenly had like a cough attack thing. I thought he was actually going to be sick, so I thought, let's get home. I am still wearing the clothes I went out in, but it's such a miserable day. I think I'm going to change into like comfy pants and comfy top and just laze around on the sofa.
No, I can hear you.
I know you can hear me. So this garden centre has a works craft place. Here's what I picked up while I was there. Picked up this craft vine. It's 5 meters, but I actually, look at that. That could be a little wreath, right? £2. I should have got more. I really, really like that. I also got these stamps for Alex, alphabet stamps, and I also got him some A4 white card. He likes drawing on these, and this was £1. And then I saw this for 50p. Festive fun gamepad includes picture consequences, number code breaker, hexagons, letter namer. But I thought this would be quite a fun thing to send to Paul for Christmas, because obviously he's not going to be around. And I want to send him a few cute things. I'm not going to send anything that's worth any money, because when he gets back, oh, I forgot. When he gets back home, we are going to have like a little Christmas celebration, and then, yes, we'll exchange presents then. But I want him to have some little bits. Oh my God, what is that? Dust, sparkles, whatever. So yeah, I picked that up. It'll be like a nice little fun thing for him to do. And just like that, it's 5:15. I have just made us some sausages in the oven, and we're gonna have basically hot dogs. Easy, quick, and I know that Alex will eat it. Let's try this again. Don't you just love it when the cleaning fairy stops by? Good morning. It's Sunday morning. Alex and I just got ready, and we are about to go to Poundland. We have decided to decorate our front door, so let's go. So we are back from our little excursion out. By now you guys know that I published a video Sunday, which is today, but for you, yesterday, from Poundland, right? I went and I was so impressed, as I mentioned in the video, and I mentioned on my Instagram, etc. So anyway, now I've got the mess here. I'm uploading the video right now. So we are going to decorate our front door, and I'm going to show you. Alex and I are just about to have dinner. Alex is already tucking in to shark with his rice. It's a very simple recipe. I've already made it on my channel. Steaming hot, and some vegetables as well. And Alex loves the smell of peppermint and mint, so he collected some leaves from the garden, and I poured some boiling water, basically making peppermint tea, so we can sniff it, you know. And Alex wants to try it at the end. So Alex and I have just finished having dinner, and we're just going to chill out for a little bit, and then I'm going to take him up for a bath and get him ready for bed, get all his clothes ready for tomorrow, all that kind of stuff. And then tonight at 9 o'clock I will be live. I hope you guys turn up. But that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you're new, I would love it if you would subscribe. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. That really helps my channel, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.